In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect teamwork.com with HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your project management and CRM in one seamless flow, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to integrate teamwork with HubSpot and boost your team's productivity. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can access both Teamwork and HubSpot for free, along with exclusive bonuses from the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on that. Now, let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that Teamwork and HubSpot are two powerful tools. Teamwork is great for managing projects, tasks, and collaboration across teams, while HubSpot is your go-to for CRM, sales, and marketing automation. When you connect these two, you get a powerful synergy that can help you keep track of projects, customer interactions, and more, all in one place. To start the integration process, the first thing you'll need is an account with both Teamwork and HubSpot. Once you've logged into both platforms, you can head over to Teamwork's app marketplace or HubSpot's integration section. For Teamwork, go to your account settings, look for integrations, and select HubSpot. In HubSpot, you can simply search for Teamwork in the integrations marketplace. You'll see an option to connect the two platforms. Once you select that, you'll be asked to log into your Teamwork account to grant permission for the integration. Once that's done, you'll be able to sync your tasks, projects, and contacts between the two tools. One thing to note is that this integration will automatically sync your contacts in HubSpot with your tasks and projects in Teamwork, making it easy to assign tasks based on customer needs or track the status of ongoing projects related to specific clients, but that's not all. With this integration, you can create HubSpot tickets directly from Teamwork tasks, so you'll never miss an important customer request again. Plus, you'll be able to see which team member is working on what directly from the HubSpot interface. This brings a whole new level of visibility to your workflow. Now, you may be wondering, how do these syncs happen in real time? Well, HubSpot and Teamwork communicate with each other in a seamless flow, ensuring that your project management updates and customer relationship data are always in sync without manual effort. By connecting teamwork.com with HubSpot, you're essentially centralizing your project management and CRM into one streamlined workflow. This integration saves time, reduces mistakes, and allows your team to be more productive, as they won't need to toggle between apps to access important client or project details. If you're new to these tools, don't worry. The integration process is pretty straightforward, and you can take advantage of this free version of Teamwork and HubSpot to get started without paying a dime. Just a quick reminder, if you want access to the free trial and exclusive bonuses for Teamwork and HubSpot, be sure to click the first link in the description below. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily integrate Teamwork with HubSpot and start improving your project management and CRM today. Don't forget to use the link below to get your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching.